Ka Dr.Mehtab Chandi Sangma ka Blabam Smai kum ka MLA Kynthei ka Basaw ha ka Samoy Jinglong MLA ka ba menta arja arpolai hadu arja arpopla. Ya ka Dr. Mehtab la penbam Smai u speaker u Thomas E Sangma u bala penpau ka Jinkman ban yo penbam Smai ya ka long mi ban long ka MLA ha ka Samoy ka ba menta. Uloong ba ka long ka Jinkman ni kipat ba ka Meghalaya bat ikaying dorbar thawan. Ka Dr. Mehtab ka ka kurem u menteri rangba ka jela u konrat ke sangma bat kala job kum ga MLA ka gambit gri ha ka election cheating samoy ka badang shudaption.
Of the newly elected member from 5th District, Gambigre constituency, Meghalaya. The Honourable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Agitok Sangma. Honourable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandi Agitok Sangma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Agitok Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations also.
Well, there's a lot to be done in my constituency, but I think as a healthcare professional myself, I will try to look into the issues of healthcare, and others like roads are very much needed, and also I will look into the school infrastructure. I think it's one of the constituencies where I see that they are so much backward in so many areas. So I feel like there's a lot to do. I wouldn't want to judge on how the others have performed, but I think there's a lot that needs to be done. They will always say for the ones who are in power, and I think if we were in opposition, we would have said the same thing. So these are all mere allegations, but that is not the case. We have worked very hard, and everybody has campaigned hard, and I think the people in general wanted to be part of part of government, so that they receive development, and I think that's the whole idea where they voted me for. No, not at all. I'm a newcomer, and I have very little experience, so I don't think I can do that job right now. I don't think so. They shouldn't, and we are committed as a party to look into to be along with the coalition, because we have been with them from the beginning. So I think it's not against our party ethics to ditch one group. So we will still continue to work together. But it only makes our bond stronger. I think every election is different, and every election is a challenge. So there is nothing like sweet revenge. But I'm glad that people have again voted for development. I think that's the whole crux of the matter. Earlier, there is a lot that needs to be done, and there are a lot of issues that needs to be addressed. But as a healthcare professional myself, I want to look into the issues of healthcare first, and I think roads are what is needed most in Gambigre constituency, as most of the villages still lack roads and power.